What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you are new in my channel then don't forget to subscribe. And today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is WS-116414-7. A network connection error has been occurred. So it's kind of network error, and I'm just going to show you how to fix this up. I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen, and look at that. We just go to the settings here and then a network, storage, and a network. A user in account. You must check your account is signed in or not. If they're not signed in, you just simply sign in your account. And then login settings. You must check the login settings. Your PS5 console is logged in or not. You must log in and console also. And then go to the network view, PlayStation network services. You must check the services. Sometimes the server is down, not working, and so you're working on the updates. That's why you get this error. And then if the server is working up and good, then you just go check your local internet problem. If the server is not working, then just wait. And here you just set up an internet connection, a Wi-Fi. You just set advanced settings, frequency settings. Here's the DNS settings. You can change the DNS settings also manually and search it. And here's MTU settings. And I'm just going to suggest you use a wired LAN cable, wired network. So that's how you just get the better speed than the Wi-Fi. And here we go to the, here's the network, and then simply you just do it. That's how. And I hope so you found my video helpful for you. See you soon for the next one, for the next topic. If you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box.